If you're tired of chasing side hustles that just flop, burn out, or completely shut down altogether, here's a sign to just stop. Start building your own personal brand, and you can use that personal brand to now grow all of these other side hustles, whether it be network marketing. And we've all heard about network marketing companies that get shut down out of nowhere, like last week, or you're an affiliate for some company and you have all kinds of affiliates underneath you, or any other type of side hustle, drop shipping. Maybe you're drop shipping from China and all of a sudden the shipments aren't coming anymore. Well, there's a lot of reasons that your side hustle could just stop. And the most important thing, in my opinion, and a lot of other smart people's opinions, is to build that personal brand. So let's stop and talk about some statistics that are going to back that up. As you guys know, I love some statistics. First off, according to LendingTree, over 50% of side hustlers quit within the first year, and most never make more than a few $100s a month. 90% of people say they're more likely to buy from a brand they follow on social media. That is from Sprout Social. 70% of employers now screen candidates based on their personal brand or social media presence. Did you know a creator with just 1,000 true fans can make a full-time income if their brand builds trust? It's a really important one to remember. And the last one, we've all seen Amazon shut down seller accounts, TikTok ban creators overnight, and entire affiliate programs disappear. If your income depends on a platform, you do not own it. Now, my friends, you got to understand, we're in 2025 and there is going to be some turmoil. Some may think it's good, some may think it's bad, but regardless of what your opinion is on what's going on in the world right now, there is turmoil and you need to be positioned accordingly to best position yourself to get ahead, even when things are going on that are creating instability. Now, we just saw last week another huge network marketing company get shut down. That happens. It sucks. If you're a creator, everybody, I'm sure, honestly, probably all of you know somebody who's banned on TikTok. There's people that get banned off of all of the social media platforms all the time. So if you're using affiliate programs, network marketing, or any other side hustle, drop shipping. Let's talk about China for a second and the tariffs that are going on. Anybody that was big into drop shipping, that was making tons of money, or even the people that were just making enough money to pay their bills, they're dealing with a lot of issues right now. And it wasn't, it was kind of predicted because everybody said that, tariffs were coming and Trump was very clear about that. But not having the ownership of your own platform creates a lot of instability in your life. So that's where I'm going back to the personal brand. I do have affiliate programs that I'm a part of. I do network marketing and I do like side hustles. But what I learned over the last 12 years of growing my own businesses is that there's a lot of instability when you build your house on rented land. As one of my favorite network marketing coaches says, Todd Falcone says this all the time, never build your house on rented land. And in that sense, he's typically talking about people in network marketing that are building solely on a social media platform like Facebook. Because if all of a sudden Facebook goes down, everybody's freaking out for the day. It happens, here and there. Facebook goes down for an entire day and people are losing their mind. Or even worse, what happens if one of your accounts gets straight up banned and you can't get it back? You've just lost all of your following. So why don't we look at this a little bit more tactfully and figure out how you can make money and be a part of these programs at the same time? And what happens is you start to narrow it down is you have to build you. Like I said in some of those quotes, the statistics there, the majority of people want to buy from somebody who they follow on social media. They want to buy, from my last video, people buy from CEOs and companies that their corporate executives are building the brand on social media as well. Social media is a great, huge part of your existence in the side hustle world. But what's more important and more powerful than all of that, it's your email list. It's the ability for when everything hits the fan, and you lose all of your profiles, or your top platform gets shut down, or you get banned, is that you have an email list so you can reach back out to all these people. That is the most important part of really any business, is having an email list to reach out to your potential clients and your previous clients, and let them know what's going on in the world of your business. You need to focus on building an email list. And how do you build an email list? Well, that starts with your personal brand. Now, I'm building this right here on YouTube, but I'm also planning on getting this up on other platforms as well. But at the same time, I'm also taking a strategic approach to starting to develop my own email list to not only gain emails so I can let people know about different programs that I have coming out or courses that I'm creating, but really the biggest reason for it all is what happens if YouTube decides that they don't like me next week and they shut me down. And it can happen to anybody. I've lost multiple accounts on TikTok before, which is why I'm not doing really anything on TikTok except for using it recreationally, I guess is the best way to put it. You know, I like to scroll on TikTok sometimes, but I'm not going to build on TikTok anymore because they've banned like 3 or 4 accounts of mine, and I had no way to get them back. And one of them was over 100,000 subscribers, and it really hurt me. I was not happy about it. So I'm not building on the TikTok ecosystem because of that one reason right there. If I can implore you guys to do anything about this, is go and watch my last video. It'll be linked at the end of this video. If you don't have a personal brand started yet, that is where I talked about my personal brand kit that I just released. It is a free tool, a free resource for you to be able to go and start to put some of the pieces together to build your personal brand. It's not all inclusive. It's not a $50,000 course on building your personal brand. It's the basics. It's what you need to get started. It's how to set some of that stuff up. And then if you need more assistance after that, reach out to me, because I can work with my virtual assistants to help get you set up for, you know, an affordable price. If you're not good at building your own funnels, you don't know how to start an email list. You know, some of these are just barriers that you have to overcome. I spent years literally trying to figure out a lot of this stuff before I realized I can just hire somebody pretty affordably to do it for me. And I want to make that person and those people available for you as well. So go back, watch that last video. If you don't have time to watch that last video, I'm going to put something in the pinned comments and in the description so you can get that brand kit to get yourself started. But the most important thing you can be doing in the world of side hustling is growing your personal brand. People want to buy from you, especially if you're in network marketing. What happens when you run out of people to talk to? You know, that's what drove me to doing this, because I was building my network marketing company like it was on fire for the first 2-3 years. And then I ran out of people to talk to. And it's really hard to go out and every single day after day after day, talk to everybody that you meet in the wild. It's just not fun doing that. So I figured, you know, I have to build a personal brand to I have to build a personal brand to grow that business. And while I'm doing it, I can grow multiple other things as well. And I can help impart some of my knowledge and teach you guys what I've been learning over the last 10 or 12 years. Check out that stuff in the pinned comment down below. Get my personal brand kit, get yourself squared away and get started on this, and just start putting out some content. Let people know about the tools that you're putting together. And get them onto your email list. Thank you guys for watching today. I'm Chris, and I'll see you guys on the next video.